Good morning. Today we will continue with applying binary operation over data frame with another data frame. Earlier we tried binary operation over data frame with the scalar value with the help of series we have covered, that is like this. It was covered, I covered it in last class. Here we were performing binary operation add over data frame with series, and another program is performing binary operation addition operation over one data frame with another data frame. Here we are having one data frame x and another data frame y, and performing addition operation over values. Now how it perform, because the size of both the matrix is similar, it perform one to one operation. Either we are using axis equals 0 or we are using axis equal 1. So how it's doing, it can be, it is similar, a nearby similar program. Here we are having one data frame df1 with two columns 0 and 1. 0 column hold value 1 2 3 and another column hold value 4 5 6, and next second data frame is here with name df2. Df2 hold two columns with values 1 and 2 only, and next 4 and 5. And now we perform the addition operation over data frame 1 with data frame 2 on axis of 0 axis. Okay, so because both are data frame, there is no importance of axis directly here, but if we are having scalar value, it can be there. Okay, so it will perform one to one operation over same position. So 0 column, it will fetch the value of 0 column 0 row, and that is 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1 equal 2. So that's why it's a 0 column and 0 row position is showing us the value 2. Okay, next 0 column and 1 row, 0 column and 1 row, the value is 2, and 2 plus 2 equal 4. Similarly, there is no value at 2 row on 0 column in data frame 2. That's why it's not performing perfect operation over the value 3. So that's why it is returning NaN type value, not a number type value. Similarly, the same type similar operations are being performed over one column, and that is 4 4 plus 4 8 and 5 plus 5, that is 10. But due to non availability of third row in data frame 2, it is returning not a number type value. Okay, students, it's very easy how to perform addition operation. Similarly, we can apply multiplication, MUL, DIV, subtract, another operation can be performed. Okay, similarly we can use sub MUL DIV function. Suppose subtract, MUL for multiplication, DIV for division operation. Now student, I tell you to do practical. If possible, you can do it over your mobile phone as well. So try to perform other operation also. Just you have to, what you have to do, you have to write MUL in place of ADD to perform multiplication over one data frame with another data frame. Now students, we are trying to learn merging of two data frame. Merging means nearby joining operation, performing joining operation over data frame. Student, whenever we are trying to perform merging or joining like operation, there should be similar type of columns, so joining can be done easily. Okay, so how we can perform joining operation? Here we have to make label as main basis for joining. that on the basis of similar label value can be merged. How it is being done here? uh, Look at here. Here we are having one data frame as name left and another data frame as right. First data frame hold three columns: ID, name, and subject ID. ID means there are two students with ID 1 and 2. Their name Anil and Vishal, and their subject ID is subject 1 and subject 2. Similarly, we are having one another data frame with the name right with two IDs, same ID name. Here we are doing learning, so we can have similar ID. Otherwise, in practical life, similar ID can't be there. Okay, suppose we are having similar ID but having name other. Sama, their name is Samar and Salil. Okay, and then subject ID is subject 2 and 4. First ones subject 1 and 2, and second right data frame subject are subject 2 and 4. Now we perform merging operation and create a separate data frame. Here we are mentioning left has to be taken first and then right to be taken second. So, and performing merging operation on ID field. So it will check first ID 0 to 0, where 0 0 both are matching, and the same line it will display value. Okay, how it is being done? Okay student, you can see here label is being displayed 0 label. There is ID 1, and it's the first because we are having left as left side data frame first. So Anil, and then his subject sub 1 is being displayed, and because of there is matching ID in right data frame available there, so and that is 1, and 1 means Samar and his subject is 4. Okay, so on next level 1, first left data frame to be taken, and its next ID is 2 means Vishal, and his subject is subject 2. Now next data frame right to be taken with similar label 1, and name is Salil. Okay, now student, we perform this one with the practical. At here I make one change. Here I am writing ID and there should be 2 ID and name. With 2 name A, then BB. Okay, now we want to make here ID colon similar and name like CC, then DD, then perform merge operation. First to be taken here, we should call merge with the help of PD object, then df1, then df2, and here we have to mention on which basis. On equal id, on equal id. Now execute the program. Okay student, you will be finding that it's zero label, zero row, id1, name of x and name of y. Even if we are having similar column name, but it has created it as name x and name y, it means left side df1, it's a and zero label positions data frame 2 is cc. Similarly on 1 label 1 id 2 and id 2's matching name is first from first data frame 1, that is bb, and next from second data frame it is dd. Now I make slight change in this program. I write here 3. Okay, now you will find some changes in output. What's happening here? It is merging both, but it will merge on the basis of matching IDs. Where IDs are matching, their data are merged. So only one ID is matching, and that one ID, ID1, there is data AA, and in next data frame df2, that is cc. So ID is the basis of merging the value. Now student, we move towards next part, how we can perform merging operation. Performing merging operation is possible with the specification how to merge. Here we are mentioning only on, so it is performing natural equijoin operation. It is performing in our this program, it is performing equijoin. Equijoin means where equal value matches, that values are merged together. Okay, now there are some different type of joining operation can be performed. These are left join, right join, then outer join and inner join. So how it perform left join, right join, outer join? What we have to do? We have to mention how field here. I write here how, comma, how, then equal, how equal left. Left join. Now I perform this operation. Okay students, you will be finding that value from first data frame, which is left, because we are having df1 as in left side, so it's taken fully, its both values are being displayed, first 0 row and 1 column. But from data frame 2 only matching value is being displayed, but on next label, that is 1, which is not available in data frame 2, its value is being displayed, not a number, but its third label value is not being displayed because we are performing left join. it means the data frame which is taken left to be displayed with full of its value, and from data frame 2 only those values are to be displayed with similar or matching ID. So data frame 2's value are being displayed with matching. Now I make simple change here, df2 and here df1. So in left side df2 and in right side df1. So it will perform left join operation. It will take full values of data frame 2, but from data frame 1 only those values will be displayed which are with matching IDs. Okay. Okay student, here you are finding 1 and 3 as ID on 0 level and 1 level, but because we have taken left joining operation, it is displaying all the values from left side data frame, but from right side data frame of merge function df1 it is only taking value which are matching on the basis of their ID. Okay, now we can write here right joining, RIGHT, right. It will change its output. Now what it is doing, it is taking right side data frame full values of right side and some values which are matching of left side. So you are finding df1's value full values A and BB, their ID, but of df2 it is only displaying CC which is matching but not third label's value. Next is outer. Here I make change, outer, outer join. Outer join, what is outer join? It will display all the IDs, neither left side nor right side. Outer means outside. All here you are finding CC and DD because we are having df2 is first, CC DD, and on second it is displaying A and BB. Where there is no matching value, it is displaying NaN. Now next is inner. That is also very easy. You have to mention here inner and execute the program. Inner means inner is equal to equijoin operation, where on fields value matches, only those values are to be displayed or merged. Okay, so student, I hope that you have learned joining operation and different kinds of joining operation which is possible to perform our data frame. Thank you.